Good morning. Today I will discuss on topic number system. So what is the number system? In ancient of the time, the people used a number system called unary number system. In unary number system, they used the lines on the walls or stones for this purpose. If a person want to go with their goats or cow for their foods to take them, he used to make the lines on their walls. Like he goes to take 10 or 11 or 20, how many goats or cow, he make the lines on the walls. So when he returns, after some times, he cut these lines. If all the lines are cut, it means that there is no cow or goat is to be lost. So such type of number system which work on ancient of the time, and this number system is called the unary number system. Since this is a unary number system, so there is only one symbol it is used for this, and its base is 1. So base of the union number system is 1. So it have only one symbol. After some times, and our generation have to be growth and civilizations start, so the human being make a growth on this topic also, and he make a new number system called the decimal number system. In decimal number system, he generates the symbol from 0 to 9. And he used these symbols for calculating, counting, addition, subtraction, and all other daily life purpose. So this number system is called the decimal number system. In this number system, they have to use these symbols to write the numbers, and they deal with the big amount of data. Like he wants to write 456. 456 means so he makes the number in such a way, like 6 is in a unit place, means 5 is on one's place and 4 is on another place. So this is ones, this is tens, and this is hundreds, and make this number such a way, like 6 into 1 means 6. When you come here, 5 into 10 plus 6, so new number is 56, and come on that place, he makes 4 into 100 plus 56 means he create the number what he take. So decimal number system work on in such a manner. If we say there, this is a ones, this is tens, and this is hundreds place, and you go from here, and this is the one more ten. So you can write it, this is 10 power 0, this one is 10 power 1, this one is 10 power 2. So the number system, decimal number system is working in such a way. And real life application, when we purchase something or counting something, we use this number system. But when computer generates and we invented computer, the computer does not work on this number system. It is only work on the computer based number system. Since it is a machine, so it deals with only the two symbols, 0 or 1. It deals with 0 when voltage is low. Since it is electronic machine, so there is a voltage and and two conditions, voltage is low or high. When voltage is low, it deals with 0, and when it is high, it deals with 1. So in this number system, computer have put their data in the form of such a language, and this language is called the machine level language. After that, there is requirement for memory allocations, so we use the two more number system, is called octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Our memory is the 8-bit, so the octal number system also have a base 8, and you write the data on that base, and octal number system have an 8 bits, and in this place you have to write only the binary digits, but when calculated it creates the octal number. And hexadecimal form, its base is 16, because memory is too much high and addressing approach is 16-bit. Now they have to use the 16-bit data, so they use the 16-bit to produce the hexadecimal number system. So binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system also relate to each other. Means you can say that this is the octal number system, and binary have base 2, octal have base 8. So you can say that if you have to convert a binary number into a octal number, you require the 3 digit in a binary to take one octal number, or you have a 4 digit to represent a hexadecimal, because it have a base of 16 and binary have a base of 2, so you can convert it into the base. So 2 to the power 4 means 4 digit required to represent it. If we have to understand the number system on the form of base, so we can say that each number system have a digits from 0 to its base minus 1. Like unary number system. Unary number system have a base 1, so it have only one digits. You can say that the 0 or 1 means 0, like stones you represent. Decimal number system have a base 10, so it have a digits from 0 to 9. Binary, it's have a base 2, so it have a symbol from 0 to 1 means 0 over 1. Octal have a base 8. Octal have a base 8, so it have a number from 0 to base minus 1. And hexadecimal number system have a base 16, means it have a digits from 0 to 50. It used the digits from 0 to 9 from the decimal number system and create some more symbol which is not in a decimal system, is A, B, C, D, E and F. A represents the value 10, B represents 11, C 12, D 13, E 14 and F 15. So this is the basic information of the number system. We have converted this number system from one number system to another number system. So today I will like to convert from basic of number system, like we want to convert decimal to binary number system and also vice versa. So we convert from a number from basic to decimal to binary. Like we take a number in decimal number system, decimal to binary. Means you have a base 10 on decimal number. Like we want to convert 37 into binary, and 37 in a decimal, so it's have a base 10, and you convert it into the binary, so binary have a base 2. Binary have a base 2. So if you want to convert a number system from decimal to another number system, means you convert from decimal to another number system, so you have to modulo with the number system, then you have to convert. Means if you want to convert decimal to binary, so you have to modulo from the number system binary, and binary have a base 2. So we have to divide by 2 and save the remainder. So you divide 37 from base of binary, and binary have a base 2. So divide with 2 and save the remainder. 2 18, 36, remainder 1, 8 2, divide by 18, 9, remainder 0, divide 9 with 2, here 2 4 8, remainder 1. Now divide 4 with 2, 2, remainder 0. Now divide 2 with 2, 1, remainder 0. And write the result in such a way. Means start from here to here. And 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. This is the binary representation of a decimal number 36. Understand or not? Please see it again. This is 37. Its base is decimal. Since this number is a decimal, so its base is 10. You want to convert this number from decimal to binary, and binary have a base 2. So convert this number. You convert decimal to binary, so you have to divide with the base of binary number, which is 2. So divide this number 2 and save the remainder. 37 divided by 2 is 18. Save the remainder 1. Now 18 divided by 2 comes 9. Remainder 0. 9 divided by 2 4. Remainder 1. 4 divided by 2 remainder 0. And now 2 divided by 2 remainder 0. And now you have to write this in such a way, so this number is convert from binary to decimal. So in home you have to practice and convert these number from decimal to binary. 39 is 10 to base 2, 47 from base 10 to base 2, 63 from base 10 to base 2, and 81 base 10 to base 2. And next class we will discuss the conversion from binary to decimal. So in today's class, thank you very much. In next class we will discuss the conversion from binary to decimal. Thank you very much.